Dear students, I start with lecture 28 of 201. Find radius of curvature of circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Answer. Here x square plus y square equal to a square. Means it's a circle with the radius small a. Therefore, we differentiate this with respect to x, and therefore 2x plus 2y plus d into dy by dx, or say y dash, equal to 0. And therefore y dash equal to minus x upon y. Say this as equation number 1. Therefore, one more derivation, u upon v formula square of denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator minus y square. We apply that formula here. Y differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. So this is equal to minus y minus x, value of y dash, minus x upon y square. We put this value from equation 1. Therefore, y double dash y plus x square upon y square, and therefore this is equal to minus x square plus y square upon y cube. So this is equal to minus a square upon y cube, because x square plus y square is a square. Therefore, radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus y dash square raised to 3 by 2 upon y double dash. So this is a formula just I state here, and therefore this is equal to 1 plus value of y dash, that is minus x upon y square raised to 3 by 2 upon minus a square upon y cube. This is because of equation 1, and this is because equation number 2. Just simplify it. This is equal to 1 plus x square upon y square 3 by 2 1 plus x square upon y square raised to 3 by 2 minus a square upon y cube. Now this is equal to x square plus y square 3 by 2 upon y cube. Actually it is y square, but raised to 3 by 2 will give you y cube. So we can cancel out both y cube. So this is equal to a cube upon minus a square, and therefore value is minus a, and therefore radius of convergence, we are taking only positive part, and therefore radius of curvature rho is, actually the radius of curvature of the circle is always a, but we have to prove it by formula. Check it then. One more sum on the board. Find radius of curvature of the curve x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Here y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a raised to 2 by 3. Now differentiate with respect to x, and therefore 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3y minus 1 by 3y dash equal to 0. So we have value for y dash. 2 by 3 will be cancelled out. So this is the value, and therefore we can write it like this. So this is equation number 1. Therefore, y double dash u upon v formula so it is clear here. Square of denominator minus numerator differentiation of denominator. Square of denominator v square, this is v, differentiation of numerator u dash minus u, differentiation of denominator. Therefore, y double dash equal to so we have further calculation. It's actually like this: x raised to 1 by 3, x raised to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is outside of this bracket because it is in the both the terms. So we have taken it outside and minus sign is there. So minus 1 by 3. This y raised to 2 by 3 is in the denominator of the first term. Then there is a y dash. The value of y dash is minus y raised to 1 by 3 upon x raised to 1 by 3. So it is clear up to here. Now minus y raised to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is outside and therefore it is upon x raised to 2 by 3. And x raised to 2 by 3 is already there. So we can cancel out x raised to 1 by 3. So it is also we take minus sign outside and therefore now it is positive. 1 upon y raised to 1 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3, x raised to 2 by 3 because minus side is outside. Now again we take the LCM of these two terms and therefore it is 2 by 3 will become 4 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3 and x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3, but this is becomes e raised to 2 by 3. This becomes e raised to 2 by 3 and therefore it is a raised to 2 by 3, 1 by 3, x raised to 4 by 3, y raised to 1 by 3. So check this calculation once more. Rho is 1 plus y dash square 3 by 2 raised to upon y double dash. 1 plus minus y raised to 1 by 3 x raised to 1 by 3 square. This is value of y dash raised to 3 by 2. 1 by 3 a raised to 2 by 3 x raised to 4 by 3 y raised to 1 by 3. This value is coming from here. So this 3 is denominator to denominator, so therefore it will become numerator. Also x raised to 1 by 3 becomes x raised to 2 by 3. We multiply with 1. Now both these terms will become a raised to 2 by 3. A raised to 2 by 3 and a raised to 3 by 2 means it will become a. But in the denominator it is a raised to 1 by 3. So there will be power of a with 1 by 3 remaining. Secondly, x raised to 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2 means power of x will be 1. In the denominator of numerator, a raised to 2 by value of a is over, but this is the denominator to denominator, this is value of x and therefore it will be numerator, but in the denominator there will be x and therefore x raised to 1 by 3 will be there. There is no term of y right now, but denominator to denominator y raised to 1 by 3 and therefore it will become numerator and therefore it is axy raised to 1 by 3 and this will be the radius of curvature for this curve. Have a look and then I stop this lecture here. So you have to write it and get it, the inner idea. Thank you very much.